leave it itself as another layer of a shimmery. Leave it alone. But if you want a little bit of, might as well, because if you're using the cat eyes, it's might as well doing some little cute effects on it. It just give a cute look. I love this one. It looks so beautiful. And then using the magnets too, and just hold it about 45-degree angle, and however you want. You can do it on the cuticle area. You can do it on the cuticle area, on the free edges, however you want. Just want a little bit of effects on that. You don't have to do all. Now make sure you cure for 60 seconds. Okay? It's okay, baby. And then after that, again, as I say, I'm going to using the same concept but different colors. So then you have a variety of what you want to choose and what colors you are going to use. I'm going to using the Purple Touch from Weaver Gels. I love a Glitz Weaver Gel. It's just so stringy. It's not going to like disturb or like it's cut off right in the between of the string. So it stay really nice consistency. So when you pull the string, it was really easy for you to do a lot of different designs. Not only the strings, you can do a lot of other designs. Like for instance, this designs, we did it for the Weaver Gels. And on the cat eyes as well. I love this. We have a yellows on it. And the same thing with this one. I think we have an aqua on this one. And this one is a red crimson. So it's so beautiful. However you would like. It was so easy to use. All right. So it's the same for all of you just tuning in. And I'm using the toothpicks. As I say, you can put 2, 3, 4, 5 of them stick together using just simple Scotch tape, and then I make ton of them in my studio, so then that way I can use them, and then you can just tot it away. If you're using the same clients, you can using on both ends. It works as well. So I'm gonna dip it into Weaver Gel. Now keep in mind, if you want yours to be thicker, you dip it and then pick up more Weaver Gel. If you want just to be just a little hint of the purple, then you dip just enough. You don't want to be too thick of your string. All right, so I am go ahead and cure this beauty for 60 seconds. Okay, wipe this off just in case you are moving on to the next now. If the clients don't want to do a whole set of Weaver Gels. So suggest if you do Weaver Gel for the clients as the enhancement, you can price this like at least $5 to $6 per nails. If the client doing whole set, that's another story. There's another like a bundle price if you want to give it to the clients. Again, I'm gonna using my super cute crystal from my favorite set. My favorite kit is Glow in the Dark Crystal #1. It's such a great kit. Women's like this kit has been so popular, it's best-selling, and it sold out like quite 3 or 4 times. And then you can see it's back in the stock. Grab them before it's gone. And it has a lot of like a frame. I scooped some of them out. It's like a beads, bigger beads, smaller beads, frame, charms, everything. So you can use it throughout the years with different. You can encapsulate it. You can using as this the elements on the different designs. So this is super cute. I know it's just so adorable. And then another one is this one right here. See that? The cat eyes is everything. It's like have Aurora cat eyes. So it's not like it's dog cat eyes. You can use so much with that. I'm so obsessed with this. And we are going to using again a 3-step method is condensed glue gel, no wet top coat. I just opened it. So, and precision glue gels. If you have your tinted brush or some sort of brush, gel brush, and then the crystal pickers, you can definitely go right into the crystal trifecta because you already have these 2 essential tool already. But if you are just thinking of starting with the crystal designs game for your business, the complete toolkit is absolutely the great value for your investment. So I'm go ahead and apply a good layer, not too thick, not too thin. Too thick is going to flood your crystal. Too thin is not going to adhere your crystal properly. And you see that how I blend it. And if you feel like you applies a little bit too much, you can definitely remove a little bit. And if you feel like it's dry when you blend out, you don't have enough condensed glue gel, you should get a little bit extra more. So floating the no white top coat on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel, I mean that floating, I mean that you don't drag, you don't spread your bristle out, because then you don't want to pull all your condensed glue gels away. So now with the crystal design, we are going to start with the centerpiece. In this centerpiece, I am choose the metal frame, which is in the glow in the dark crystal kit. That's the one I just showed you. And then place a crystal right in the middle. You choose which one you want. You can do the round shape, you can do a pear, perfect pear, however you want. And then the frame that I got it from, basically the kits had everything that you need, so you won't feel get lost when you're doing a crystal design, because they're all compatible together. And then 100 of the video designs that Glitz share with you to give you some inspiration. So have fun and enjoy. I'm going ahead and pick another frame. Super cute because the frame is there and compatible with all the fillers for you, so then you won't have to be feeling get lost when you are placing your designs. I'm gonna move this tray out, this beads. You want to put it right between, so if you don't want any beads on, looks good. You don't have to. Some of the nails that I have on myself or the clients, they don't do beads as well, so it just really depends. The clients like, oh, I want more dramatic and more like is a jewelry design, so I'm sure. When you put the beads on, but if your clients have just want just crystal itself, you can still go with the crystal itself. It works either way, as long as you and your clients, especially your clients who is paying you, happy, and that's exactly what you want. That's all is matter. That's it. You can go on and on and on. Oh, I put some gloves on this one. This here is a glove crystal. See what's up with this one. I like that. See how simple it is? Super cute and it's simple, right? You're gonna like wonder what Nessie's already done. Yep, as I promised. I'm so excited. Happy Monday. Hope you all have a fabulous week, a productive week, and amazing weeks. It's beautiful. I don't know how temperature is. Like, it's kind of nice and cool here. Well, cool, not cool, warm in here. Maybe 70, something like that. All right. So hope any of you are in a different state that is cold, is getting warmer and warmer. So